Hey there everyone, Waller here today, showing you what to do if you get a white screen when you click here. Let's start with the Task Manager. Right-click on Start and go to Task Manager. In Task Manager, click on Details. Type Search Host here. There you go. Just close the process. When you close the process, it'll restart when you open the search window again. This usually fixes it. If it doesn't work, go into the registry editor. Go to computer, then hkey_current_user, then software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, and search. There we are. Create a new registry entry. Right-click, select New, then Word, 32-bit value. Name it Binkarj enabled. Open it, set to 0, and hit OK. That's it. Restart your computer, close the registry editor, and everything should be fine. Goodbye, everyone.